The Epic of Jason and the Argonauts. In the ancient world of Greek mythology, the tale of Jason and the Argonauts unfolds as a legendary saga of heroism, adventure, and the pursuit of the Golden Fleece. Jason, a noble prince of Thessaly, embarks on a daring quest to reclaim his kingdom from the usurper King Peleus, who has seized power unjustly. Guided by the goddess Hera, Jason gathers a formidable crew of heroes, known as the Argonauts, and sets sail aboard the mighty ship Argo. Their mission, to voyage to distant lands and retrieve the fabled Golden Fleece, said to possess extraordinary powers of healing and prosperity. Along their perilous journey, Jason and the Argonauts encounter a series of daunting challenges and adversaries, including treacherous seas, ferocious monsters, and cunning enchantresses. Despite the ever-present dangers, Jason remains steadfast in his determination to succeed and restore honor to his family name. Among the most famous trials faced by the Argonauts is the passage through the clashing rocks, towering boulders that threaten to crush any ship that attempts to pass between them. Through skillful navigation and unwavering resolve, Jason successfully guides the Argo through the perilous strait, earning the admiration of his comrades. In this pivotal episode of their journey, the Argonauts find themselves confronted by the Harpies, grotesque creatures with the faces of women and the bodies of birds, whose piercing cries fill the air with dread. These vile beings descend upon the blind prophet Phineus, who has been cursed by Zeus to suffer eternal hunger, tormenting him by snatching away his food before he can take a single bite. Witnessing Phineus's plight, Jason and his companions are filled with compassion and resolve to help him. With the aid of the winged sons of Boreas, the Argonauts launch a daring counterattack against the Harpies, engaging them in a fierce aerial battle that shakes the very heavens. The sky is filled with the clash of wings and the sounds of combat, as the heroes fight valiantly to drive away the relentless tormentors and free Phineus from their cruel grasp. Despite the Harpies' ferocity, the Argonauts prove themselves to be formidable opponents, their swords flashing in the sunlight as they strike blow after blow against their adversaries. As the Harpies are driven off, their shrieks of defeat echoing into the distance, Phineus is overcome with gratitude and relief. With tears of joy streaming down his face, he embraces his newfound freedom and offers his eternal thanks to Jason and his companions. In gratitude for their bravery and selflessness, Phineus bestows upon the Argonauts his divine assistance, sharing his wisdom and foresight to aid them on their perilous journey. With this unexpected boon, the Argonauts set sail once more, their spirits lifted by the knowledge that they have earned the favor of a powerful ally and overcome yet another formidable obstacle on their quest for the Golden Fleece. Ultimately, after facing countless trials and tribulations, Jason and the Argonauts achieve their goal and return triumphantly to Thessaly with the Golden Fleece. Their epic voyage serves as a testament to the power of courage, teamwork, and perseverance, inspiring generations to come with its timeless tale of adventure and glory.